Good evening. Wind and thunderstorms swept through western New York today. Tonight, many are left cleaning up the damage. More than 7,000 homes and businesses were without power at the height of the storms. That number is down to around 2,000 this evening. Christian Garzone surveyed the damage. He joins us in the studio with a look. Christian, what'd you see out there?
Teresa, many told us this afternoon it sounded like a loud booms going off as the storm moved through the region, leaving massive trees down and power lines across roadways. But through it all, it was also about neighbor helping neighbor and communities coming together. John Malachowsky says about 4:30 today in Lima, it sounded like a freight train blasted through the area.
We got our willow tree lost a couple of branches. We have some trees in the front of the house that took down enough that it blocked the road for traffic, blocked my driveway in. Besides some mild damage to the house, he says that's about it. Thankfully, no one was hurt.
I heard I thought something dropped. I was like, what fell over?
Really?
I guess it was a tree.
At Esther and Jacob Slocum's family home in Livonia, like at Malachowski's, no one was hurt, but the cleanup duty is immense.
It just seemed to come through like a tornado and just whip right through, tore down all the branches.
The power here and over in the town of Richmond knocked out with the lines littering the roadways. For Margaret Cooper and neighbor Juliana in Canandaigua, their power was also offline.
And my husband's getting the generator ready to go because looks like we're not going to have electricity for a day or two at least, probably.
But there's a brighter side to all this, according to Malachowsky back in Lima. He says thanks to the kind community here and church friends, he's not cleaning all this up alone.
That's I guess the silver lining to this terrible cloud is how much the neighbors and people don't even know stopped, at least got the stuff out of the street.
Certainly cleanup that's going to last into the weekend, and of course be careful around those down power lines. Do not go near them.